from the body language company in London, IPB Ltd.
Hello people, I am Ajay Dubedi, the CEO and founder of Propel Guru.
This topic that I will share with the company called Propel Guru, which is an amazing company by the way, is about discovering funneling and its $1 million results.
If you want to structure your funnel for $1 million results, then this webinar is definitely for you.
Now we all get objections from customers, from prospects, and if you know these objections are coming your way and you can handle them in the first place, would the result be different? Would your outcome be different?
You'll also be learning the creation of $1 million funnel and discover the best practices for conversions.
If I could deliver an X factor of my company towards your company, and your company will benefit from that, and I would say, hey, what if?
Trigger your sales trigger by discovering the best funneling strategies.
I look forward to share with you, together with Propel Guru, this amazing knowledge about funneling.
So do join this amazing webinar on February 19, 2021.
Until then, take care.